Okay, we'll read it again. That's Edgar's house. Once upon a midnight dreary. Edgar, finish your vegetables. Nevermore. Eek! Don't do that to your sister. Eek! Oh, ow, ow. Now go clean up your room. Nevermore. Nevermore. Edgar, it's time for your bath. It hurts. Ow. What's that? Nevermore. Ugh. Let's get into your pajamas. Never mumble. Time to brush your teeth. Eek! Okay, fine. That didn't work out too well.